Hello everyone and welcome back to another Jayrocks video. So today what I'm going to be using is this Forestmaster FM6DD Woodchipper. So really excited about this. When I was coming to look at a woodchipper for all these sort of autumn winter jobs, a lot of pruning, hedge trimming, reducing, all that sort of stuff, I really wanted something that wasn't too expensive. I didn't want to go top end, and I wanted something that would at least cope. I've been seeing these on Instagram and other places getting used for best part of about 12 to 18 months now, and they look fantastic and everyone has a good thing to say about it. So I'm looking forward to putting it to the test, putting some stuff through it and basically just seeing how it is and how it takes it. So this can chip up to 50 mil, what is 2 inches, but basically what I've heard from it is if it fits, it chips. So I'm looking forward to getting that part of it and just seeing how it is. So the next thing with it is its weight. Now it is very light, as in pick up light. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Sam, but you're really strong, look at you, blah blah blah. I know. But no, seriously, it's 38 kilogram. So really you can't go wrong for getting it around the garden, into sheds or wherever you're storing it, into the back of the van. It weighs half the weight of my mower. So really it's just, it fits perfectly for what I need it. All I need it to be able to do is chip well, and that's what we're going to sort of test today. As I showed earlier on, look at all these. So that's just went down to nothing. So this is the third one of these little tubs that this is chipped up through all that, and that's down to nothing, you know what I mean? So that's chipped up really well. You can see the size of the chippings that are through, really comfortable chipping sizes. So, you know, 3 of these and it's, you know, not even a quarter of the brown bin. Right, wow. There's not much more I can say than that. That went through them absolutely no bother. That maybe took about 10 minutes of chipping. That was with moving all the cameras around and everything in the meantime, and that just went through that like nothing. I do understand they're all 1 inch lengths or just under, so you know it's all growth that you'd expect to at least go through any chipper. But I have used a larger chipper that was an arborist chipper, and you know that chipped up to 4 inches. And you know when it comes to the smaller stuff, if this is what you're doing, what's the difference, you know what I mean? So unless you're going for big huge things and you're taking down trees, I don't really see the massive difference with it. But that was mega. I'm really impressed with that. No clogging whatsoever. Right then, so what you've seen so far then is basically all small stuff. You've seen the coniferous branches, you've seen some buddleia go through as well. Now what I've got is I've got some branches anywhere from like 1 inch all the way up to sort of 2.5 inch now. So remember, this is only going to chip up to 50 mil, what is 2 inches. And then we've got ones, you know, about 1.5 meters in size. And if you can see how well there, it's just over the 2 inch mark. So with this being just over 2 inch, we should get a pretty good idea of how it can handle at its very sort of highest capability. So see if it goes through. I've got a feeling it might chew it a little bit instead of just taking it straight through, but hey, we'll see. So first of all, the chippings here. These are how they've all turned out. Now these are all obviously just all from branches, not sort of anything green on them. And I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. They're brilliant chippings. Right then, so final little overview on this little fella, the Forest Master. So the branches that you've seen that were coniferous and the buddleia went through no problem. It was like sucking water through a straw, straight through. Happy days. That is what I would expect from a chipper that, you know, is at its very minimum capacity. It should take it through no problem. The ones around 2.5 inch, okay, it just cuts out. As you've seen, it cuts out, and whatever the safety system is, it just doesn't allow it through. The ones that are around 2 inch, just under 2 inch, do go through as it states, but you do have to fiddle with it, sort of push it in and out, making sure that you're not basically stalling the engine. Thumbs down on that one. If you stay in 2 inch, I want to say go straight through, like water through a straw, just about, and not sort of start cutting out the engine. So a bit of a thumbs down on that one. But as for its manoeuvrability, its weight, the fact of it taking through the smaller stuff, the chipping sizes, the price, £500, excellent. I bought this straight through Forest Master, and I paid the extra £30 to have it assembled, and well worth it in my point of view. It already comes with the oil in it, and it already comes ready to go on a pallet. So my overview of it all is that it's done me solid. If you've got these smaller jobs, then it's absolutely brilliant. The only other con is if you're using these and you've got like the Y branches on and the solid, then because the size of the chute, it's going to get halfway down and get stuck. So you do need to take branches off here and there. So just make sure if you are looking to buy this, then it sort of fits in with the line of work that you're doing. If it's any sort of big stuff, reducing half a privet hedge and trying to stuff it in there, it's not going to go through. So you do just need to take your time with it. Make sure that you are using it, you know, for what suits you in the type of work you're doing. But other than that, I'll give it about a 9 out of 10. Really happy with it. Really glad that I've invested in it, and I'm sure it'll do me for seasons to come. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I mean that as well. Stick a comment below and I'm happy to have a chat, answer any questions whatsoever. So anyway, take care, and I'll see you in next week's video.